In this Chugzi review, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the streamlined editor. If you have any questions, please comment them below, and I'll also leave a discounted link so you can always get your money's worth for Chugzi. Chugzi comes with a powerful streamlined editor that allows you to rephrase documents of any length. Okay, so once we've logged in to Chugzi, we come over here to the AI paraphrasing tool and article spinner. First, we need to enter some content into the paraphrasing box. So I've just copy and pasted something from BBC News. As we can see at the top, it's got our amount of characters, our amount of words, and then once it's obviously generated, it's got the difference and the uniqueness. We also have an array of different features here. We've got context. So if we click onto there, it's currently set to auto. You can set it to balance priority, prioritize before, prioritize after, only before, only after, or turn it off. We also have tone, again, which is set to auto, but you could set it to informal, neutral, or formal. We then also have the difference, so you could set the difference percentage. And below there, we've also got uniqueness, and again, you could set the percentage for that as well. As well as this, we've also got the language, so it's currently set to English, but you could set this for whichever language you need. We have a copy button, where you could copy your text, and then another copy button for copying both. So once you're happy with that, if we go ahead and go on rephrase, as we can see on this side here, it's got our original input, and in this section here is where the paraphrased article will be generated. So as we can see, this has now generated it. I can see straight away it's different from the original. For the original, for the first sentence, we have nearly 6 million people tried to follow the plane's route from Edinburgh to the RAF Northolt within its first minute in the air. This has been changed to 6 million people tried to follow the route of a plane from Edinburgh to the RAF Northolt within the first minute it was in the air. And then it's changed from the website said to according to the website. Now, obviously, if we weren't happy with these results, we can click on one of the sentences, and that's given us different options which we could choose. As we can see, it's currently set to this one. Within the first minute, it was in the air according to the website. We could also go for this one, within the first minute of its landing, according to the service. If we still weren't happy with those results, we could also click on Get More, and we can also hover over the options there, but we could delete it, set the difference, uniqueness, edit it ourselves, or copy it. And obviously, if I wanted to go for this one, I could just click onto there. You can just edit this yourself as well. If you wanted to put your own spin on it, then you could just delete words out or add them. We also have a settings button here where you could add a preserved word or phrase. And you also have the option of doing a bulk insert if you wanted to insert an array of different words and phrases. You can obviously keep playing around with this and you can keep clicking on Get More, and this is going to generate more examples which you could use. I've just used this copy and pasted paragraph today, but this could be really useful for blog posts and articles. And that's pretty much everything. So what are my thoughts on Chugzi? Well, Chugzi was a fantastic AI paraphrasing tool. It was a quick and easy way to create blog posts and articles. I love how you could set the difference or uniqueness, and also really like how you could keep generating more results. I would definitely recommend Chugzi. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.